Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is that giveaway video that you all guys have been waiting for. So guys, this video is divided into two parts. इस वीडियो के पहले पार्ट में I will do the giveaway and second part में I will install backrest and top carrier on my Interceptor 650 which is now known as Pavan Putra. So in the first part, what I will do is I will name all those people who commented on that video. उसके बाद उन सारे नामों को मैं एक चिट में लिख दूंगा, अलग चिट में लिख दूंगा and then I'll pick some random name from all those chit and उसके बाद मैं winners का नाम announce करूँगा. So let's get started with the video. So guys, I'll start by taking names of the people who have commented in the video. So the first name is Bios, B-I-O-U-S. I'm not able to pronounce this properly. He commented B. The second name, the second person who commented is Gearing Hearts. He also commented B. The third person is Danish Khan. He commented B. The fourth person is Anurag Prateek. He commented Adi Ki Shakti. The fifth is Pritam Ghosh. He commented Gas Guzzler. The sixth is HK Channel. He commented Devil. Seventh is Anish Poddar, I guess. He commented Yamraj. The eighth person is Shreya Agarwal. She commented Gust. Right. The ninth person is Fitness with UK Fit Channel. He commented Bheem. 10th name is Rekha Agarwal. She commented Pavan Putra. 11th is Tushar Jagtap, I guess. He commented Tushar Jagtap commented Bheem. The 12th person is Sachin Jai Bhagwat, I guess. He commented Pavan Putra. The 13th channel is Your PCG. They commented Bhishma. The 14th name of channel is Noor Hassan. He commented Night Fury. So guys, there are a total of 14 people who have commented the names. So I'm gonna write those 14 names on these chit, and उसके बाद I'll pick up two chits. The first chit will get the giveaway, and if for some instance he does not shows up or he does not message me, then I'll give those things to the second person. So what I'm going to give is, so guys, these are the two gifts I have kept for the giveaway. एक है Ubon का face armor which is basically a face mask, and the second gift is a nano spray sanitizer. So I'll show you this mask. This is a very comfortable mask. So yeah, this is the mask. So the first gift is this mask and the second gift is this nano sanitizer. What this can do is you can have to fill in sanitizer in here, and after you have filled sanitizer you have to press this button, and this will basically spray out a nano mist of sanitizer which can be used to sanitize your car or whatever places you want to. For example, this is a mouse, you can press this button, the sanitizer will come out from here, and you can just sanitize it, or you can just simply keep it inside your car and that can be used to sanitize your car. So these are the two gifts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly make the chits so that I can pick up those chits and decide the winner of the giveaway. So yeah, let me make the chits.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
So guys, these are the chits. I'll just show you the chits. These are the chits. So I'm going to pick up a random chit and let's see who is gonna get the gift. Yeah, so one random chit. Danish Khan. So Danish Khan, you will be getting these gifts, that is a spray sanitizer and Ubon face armor. What I have to do is आपको मुझे Instagram पर मैसेज करना है अपने एड्रेस. Instagram ID है मेरा _the_hood, D is double at the end. You can see this for the proof. And आपके पास 5 दिन का टाइम है. अगर 5 दिन में मैसेज नहीं करते then I'll give it to the next person. I'm going to pick another chit and I'll give it to him. So one random chit. Yeah. So that person is Gearing Head. That channel is Gearing Head. So if Danish Khan does not message me in an interval of 5 days, I'll give it to Gearing Heads. Okay. बट आप दोनों मुझे मैसेज कर दीजिए इंस्टाग्राम पर. ID आई विल पुट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन डाउन बिलो एंड इवन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड उसके बाद I will send these goodies to your place. Also guys, the second part of the video is where I'm going to install top rack and backrest on my Interceptor 650, now known as Pawan Putra. So if you want to see how to do that DIY, you can stick with the next part of the video.
So guys, the initial step would be to install the backrest on the top carrier, and after we have done that, we simply have to put it into our bike. So guys, attaching the backrest on the top carrier is not a big deal. Just place the washer above the hole, align the bolt with it, and sandwich the rubber washer between the backrest and the top rack, and simply tighten the bolt, and you are good to go.
So I'm using a bit of 6 mm. You can also use normal Allen key of 6 mm, but I'm using it along with a ratchet and an extension so that I can do it easier and faster. So both the bolts are out from the other side. That means we have tightened it enough. If you see here also, ये भी अच्छे से बैठ चुका है यहाँ पर. So we are ready to put it into our bike, and yes, let's do it. Let me just tight it once again just to be sure, because इसको बार बार तो आके चेक करूँगा नहीं. And final turn and I think we are good to go. इसको बाइक में लगाते हैं जाके. So guys, for installing this, we have to open total of 4 bolts which are placed here. 2 are here and 2 on the other sides. As you can see, so I'll just open these bolts. This is out.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
So guys, I hope you like the video, but next video is gonna be even better because I'm going to detail my bike with ceramic spray coating. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.